Take the latch, gently pop it up. Whew. You may be asking, isn't this just a pile of whipped cream and cookies? And to that I'd say, yes, especially when you consider you can just layer this together and not put it in the oven, which means you have a ton of extra precious Thanksgiving oven space. We're gonna start by whipping our cream with a little powdered sugar. You can use an electric mixer or an immersion blender. I prefer the latter as it makes a denser, more stable whipped cream. Now it's time to add our pumpkin puree. You can add anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup, so you get to control how pumpkin-y it is. I like to add 1/4, then taste and adjust as needed. And I'm gonna go ahead and add our pumpkin spice mixture. Filling piping bags or makeshift piping bags that are actually just Ziploc bags can be kind of a pain in the butt, but to make it a little easier on yourself, all you have to do is take a tall glass, take the bag, shove it down inside, and just drape the sides over the edges. Now we're just gonna scoop our whipped cream mixture in there. Then you're gonna snip a corner so you can pipe out of it. And we're ready to start layering this in a pan with some cookies. To build your cake, you can use a casserole dish, a pie plate, a 9-inch springform pan like I have here, or you can just stack it freestyle on a plate. No matter what though, you have to start with a layer of cookies. Put them down in the pan, and there will be some gaps. Then we're gonna take our whipped cream mixture. I'll just take a spatula, smooth it out. All right, now let's do another layer of cookies. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge and come back in the morning. If you're in a hurry, 4 hours should be enough. You just need enough time for the cookies to soften and for the cake to become sliceable. We're ready to open up our springform pan. Just take the latch, lift it up. Look at that beautiful cake. Now we're gonna finish our icebox cake with just a sprinkling of pumpkin spice. I love not baking.